Welcome to Prince Maths Clinic. Here we have a very interesting set of multiplication, but this time around we will not be multiplying using our multiplication table. Rather, we will be making use of our two fingers or two hands by counting the fingers in each of them to multiply the figures that we have on the board. Now, looking at our two fingers, we are going to call this finger 6. We are going to call this one 7. We are going to call this one 8. We are going to call this one 9. And we are going to call this one 10. Remember, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, this as well will be what? 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we are going to call this hand here Mr. and we are going to call this Mrs. So this is Mr. 6, Mr. 7, Mr. 8, Mr. 9, Mr. 10. Then this is Mrs. 6, Mrs. 7, Mrs. 8, Mrs. 9, Mrs. 10. So we are going to multiply Mr. and Mrs. Now let's go. Now 6 times 8. Here is the trick behind it. Now 6. Identify the finger that is bearing 6. So this is the 6. Let's assume that it is Mr. 6 going to meet Mrs. 6. So we are going to circle from Mr. 6 to Mrs. 6. Now, in all, how many fingers have we circled? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we are going to write down that 4. We are going to write down that 4. Then how many fingers do we have left in the Mrs.? We have just 2 fingers left in Mrs. and 4 fingers left in Mr. So the 4 fingers in Mr. will multiply the 2 fingers left in Mrs. So 4 times 2 is 8. So therefore, 6 times 8 gives us 48. Now, let's look at the second one. The finger in the Mr. is 7. Then for our Mrs. is 8. So we are going to circle from 7 to 8. So how many fingers in all? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to write down that 5. Then we have 1, 2, 3 left in the Mr. Then 2 left in the Mrs. So 3 times 2 gives us 6. Good. Then let's look at this other one. In the Mr. we have 9, which is this finger. Then in the Mrs. we have 9. So we are going to circle from 9 to 9. So how many fingers in all have been circled? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are going to write 8. So how many fingers is left in Mr.? 1. And in Mrs. 1. So we are going to multiply that 1 times 1. It will give us 1. So it means 9 times 9 gives us 81. Then in this other one, we have 6 times 6. So 6 in the Mr. and 6 in the Mrs. So we circle. So those are the 2 fingers. So we put a 2 here. Then we have 4 fingers left in the Mr. and 4 left in the Mrs. And when you multiply 4 times 4, you get 16. It's a 2-digit number, so we cannot put the 16 here. Then we have to, since we cannot put 16 here, we'll take this one, add it to this 2, it becomes 3. Then the 6 here will bring it. And 6 times 6 becomes 36. Alright. Hope you enjoyed the class. If you truly did, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share the videos to your friends, family, and loved ones, so that we would all enjoy simplified maths. Thank you and goodbye.